Hello and welcome to Wild Woodland Lavender Farm. Today is day 13 of my June on the Farm series, and I have caught the bug that my boys have been fighting all week, so I don't want to tax myself with a whole bunch of the farm work that I would like to do today. I don't know if you can hear my voice, but anyway, I do have some things that I want to get done today, and I have the peppermint that I put in the dehydrator yesterday, so I'm going to take that out. I have some things to show you with the baby chicks, and I still have beans to take care of. I have some rose petals that I can take care of, and then if I get to it, there's also a whole bunch of dried catnip and comfrey out in our shop. That's where I hung the lemon balm to dry last night. So I have a whole bunch of that kind of lightweight work to take care of, so I'll probably end up doing that kind of stuff today. So stick around and we'll see what we can get accomplished today. Okay, first of all, at the end of the video last night, I gave you a teaser for what would be happening on day 13, and that was that I had another baby chick starting to crack his way out of the shell. So I'm gonna put him down with the others today. And surprise! Oopsie. We had a second one hatch last night too. I'm pretty sure this one is a lavender Orpington, because I know one of their shells hatched. So we have two more baby chicks. So we're gonna put these down in with the others. Here we go. Hello. Here. Hello. 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 We have some new siblings for you. There's some water. Come on. Aw, sweetie. It doesn't want to get out of my hand. Yes, you're such a sweetie. Say hello. You're so sweet. But you can get down. There we go. I just hope with this one being so small that it's not that it won't get picked on by the others. I've had that happen before when we had a tiny one. Kind of treated him or her like the runt of the pack, so hopefully this one, it won't happen with this one. So the shells that they came out of course the lavender Orpington came out of this shell, which I have 3 lavender Orpington hens, and so I just did all of the eggs that I had of theirs, and this was one. And then the other one came out of a, I don't know, a similarly, I don't know which one is his or hers, came out of the similarly colored shells like that. Just want to check these real quick. I am not seeing any pipping on these. I had thought I'd seen movement in another one of the eggs, but it didn't amount to anything. Oop, there's some pipping. But it might be too late. Looks like I might need to add some more water. I think I'll add some more water and then see if by the rest of the day if any of these other ones will start hatching as well. These two are already staying far away from the others. Be nice now. Sidon, don't scare the chicks. Be nice. Nuh-uh, stay out. I know they're exciting and new and tiny. And I know you want to get up close and sniff them. Chickens that won't peck you. What do you think? Stay out. I'm not gonna get in there with them. Okay, I think this is it for me for day 13. And just a reminder that tomorrow is Sabbath and I won't be making a video, so I will look for you on Sunday. We shall see you then. Bye.